Hello students, see this is the example. Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So this we have to prove. To make power 4 here, we have to take sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. So a plus b whole square we are going to use sin square theta and further square because a square. So directly we can write sin to the power 4 theta plus p square. This square and this square. Cos to the power 4 theta plus 2. A is this sin square theta and 2 b that is cos square theta. This is the first identity. We can put here 1 and square of 1 is equal to sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So this section we can transfer this side because we have to do 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So in LHS we have to put sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. This was to be proved. Hence proved. Done. Now see next example. Sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. See in previous question there was 4 sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here was 2 in previous question. Now in this question here 6, so here 3. So to make 6 here we have to take, we are going to use a plus b whole cube formula. So how to use this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. Now a plus b whole cube. So what is this? A cube, that is sin square theta whole cube plus b is cos square theta whole cube plus 3a into b. A this and b is this. So sin square theta cos square theta and in bracket a plus b also we have to write a is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now see this is the first identity. So 1 and cube of 1 is 1 is equal to sin square theta and cube sin to the power 6 theta plus cos square into cube, that is cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta, and this also 1 because first identity into 1 we can write. So only this one will be left because when we multiply with 1 with any number we will get a same number. So this we have to transfer this side, and one side we have to take sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. So in LHS we can write sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Proved. Best example. Okay, done. See next example. Okay, now see next example, example number 3. Here sec to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta. In previous two questions we have seen sin and cos. Now here sec and tan, and we know that this is a second identity we can use here. So how to use this? So first take LHS. You have right here taking LHS. This part we are going to take here. So sin to the power 4 theta, sorry, sec to the power 4 theta. So how to write this? Sec square theta and further square minus tan square theta again further square is equal to, see, let's say this is a and this is b. So a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So in one bracket we have to write sec square theta plus tan square theta because a plus b, and next one we have to take a minus b. So sec square theta minus tan square theta. This will be 1 because this is a second identity and we can put here 1. So only left sec square theta plus tan square theta. This part we have to prove. See, in proving there is no need of sec. So here we can put 1 plus tan square theta from again second identity, 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square. These both are like terms, so add together 1 plus 2 tan square theta. Directly add proved, no try hence. Okay, done. Here sin a upon 1 plus cos a is equal to cos a minus cot a. This we have to prove. So write here LHS is sin a upon 1 plus cos a. Now here we are going to see rationalization with respect to denominator. So here we are going to multiply 1 minus cos a in numerator as well as in denominator. 1 minus cos a. Sorry, yes, 1 minus cos a. Okay. Now this is a plus b and a minus b. Here we can write 1 minus cos square a. In numerator there is no change. We have to write as it is, sin a in bracket 1 minus cos a. In denominator, see 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos square a, because a plus b and a minus b. A square and minus b square. A square is 1, so square of 1 is 1, minus b square. B is cos, so cos square a. From first identity we can put here sin square a. Sin a 1 minus cos a upon sin square a. From first identity we can put here sin square a. 1 power will be cancelled out. Now here in numerator we have 1 minus cos a upon sin a. So we can write here 1 upon sin a minus cos a upon sin a by the method of partial fraction. So 1 upon sin a minus cos a upon sin a. So 1 upon sin a, I have told 1 upon sin a, that is cosec a, reciprocal of cosec is sin, and sin is a reciprocal of cosec, cosec is a reciprocal of sin. So here cosec a minus cos upon sin, that is cot a. So now see next example. Here tan square theta upon sec theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. This we have to prove. So see how to do this. This is the tan square theta. So here we can put sec square theta minus 1 from second identity upon sec theta minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now see, this is sec square theta minus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 whole square. Now here we can write 1 whole square, no problem. Now a square minus b square. So in one bracket sec a plus 1, sec theta plus 1, and second one sec theta minus 1. So write sec theta plus 1, because a square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. In second bracket sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 whole square. So 1 power will be cancelled out. Now in numerator we have sec theta plus 1 and denominator sec theta minus 1. So write here sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. Now instead of sec we can put 1 upon cos theta in here as well as here. Right here 1 upon cos theta plus 1. Here also we can write 1 by 1 upon 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1. Take LCM here. LCM will be cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta upon, again in denominator also cos theta is LCM. Cos theta 1 minus cos theta. This cos theta cancel out. So left we have in numerator 1 plus cos theta and denominator 1 minus cos theta. This we had to prove. Okay, see. Okay, done. Now see next example 1 plus tan a whole square plus 1 minus tan a whole square is equal to 2 sec square a. This question has came in 2005. This also ICSE board. Okay, so here we can use a plus b whole square. Now here a minus b whole square. So open this bracket, a square plus b square plus 2ab for minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here 1 square 1 plus b square, that is tan square a plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into tan, so 2 tan a we can write directly. Okay, plus now here a minus b whole square, so 1 square 1 plus b square, that is tan square a minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into tan, directly we can write 2 tan a. So this minus 2 tan a plus 2 tan a cancel out. Okay, this one and this one, that is 2 tan square a plus tan square a, 2 tan square a. Now 2 we can take common. In bracket we have 1 plus tan square a. By second identity we can put here sec square a. 2 sec square a. 2 easy question. Again we have taken 2 questions altogether in 2001 and that in 2000. So here 1 minus cos square theta upon 1 plus sin theta. We have to prove sin theta. So see how to solve this. This one write as it is minus. Instead of this cos square theta, we can put 1 minus sin square theta from first identity. So put 1 minus sin square theta from first identity and denominator no change. Write as it is. Again we can write here 1 square. Okay. So a square minus b square. So in one bracket 1 a plus 1 plus sin theta and second one 1 minus sin theta. So this one write, no need to change here, 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So these both will be cancelled out. Here 1 left minus bracket 1 minus sin theta 1 minus sin theta. Open this bracket, 1 into minus 1, sorry plus 1 minus into minus plus sin theta plus 1 minus 1 cancel out is equal to sin theta. Proved. Okay, see next one. Here square root of 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a is equal to sin a upon 1 plus cos a. See here in denominator we are needed 1 plus cos a. So here two ways we can rationalize with respect to denominator as well as numerator. So we are needed 1 plus cos a in denominator. So we are going to rationalize with respect to numerator here. Square root 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a, because we have to rationalize with respect to numerator. So we have to multiply 1 plus cos a in numerator as well as in denominator. Okay, done. So see here, put bracket a minus b and a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 square 1 minus b square, that is cos square a upon we can write 1 plus cos a whole square and square root. See 1 minus cos square a we can write sin square a. Now here 1 plus cos a whole square. In numerator we can write sin square a from first identity and 1 plus cos a whole square. See this square and this square. So square root will be removed. Only sin a on numerator and 1 plus cos a in denominator. So prove. Done both the questions. Both are too easy. Okay. Now see next example. Cos a k minus sin a in one bracket. Second one sec a minus cos a in second one, and outside is sec square is equal to tan. This we have to prove in 2011. Okay. See here we can put 1 upon sin a instead of cos a k. So write 1 upon sin a minus sin a pi 1 we can put, because we have to take LCM here. In second one also we can write here 1 upon cos A, instead of sec A minus cos A upon 1. This sec square A write as it is here, no need to change right now. Okay, now here sin A is LCM. In first bracket sin is LCM, so 1 minus sin square A close. In second bracket cos A LCM. Okay, in second cos A is LCM, so 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus cos square A close. This write as it is sec square A is equal to, now see, sorry, square 1 minus sin square A, we can put here cos square A from first identity. So here cos square A upon sin A. No need to put bracket now. 1 minus cos square A, sin square A we can put from first identity, sin square A upon cos A. Now here sec square A, we can write here 1 upon cos square A, cos square A. This one part will be cancel out, this cos square cancel out. In numerator we have this one part will be cancel out, sin A will be left, sin A, and 1 cos A left. In denominator sin upon cos is what? Tan A. Proved. Okay, done.